Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of heavy-duty gear as we count down the top 5 best welding machine options currently available. Whether you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast, Dude's Tech has got you covered with the best picks. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Azzuno AE-200F welding machine. The Azzuno AE-200F welding machine is a powerful and versatile 4-in-1 welding solution designed to handle a wide range of professional and industrial welding tasks with efficiency and reliability. Built with flux MIG, gas MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding capabilities, this multifunctional system allows users to switch between different welding methods easily, making it suitable for various materials and job requirements. Its all-in-one design reduces the need for multiple machines, offering greater flexibility and convenience in different working environments. At the core of the Azzuno AE-200F is advanced IGBT inverter technology, which converts standard power frequency into high-frequency power. This modern system significantly enhances energy efficiency and overall machine performance. It ensures a more stable arc, reduces spatter during operation, and delivers higher welding quality, making it ideal for both precision work and heavy-duty applications. The machine also features a hot start function that optimizes energy output during arc ignition. This improves arc starting performance, reduces electrode sticking, and ensures a faster, smoother, and more stable start every time, which is especially useful for beginners and professional welders alike. Safety and durability are also key highlights of this welding machine. It is equipped with multiple protection functions, including overheating and overload protection. When the internal temperature becomes too high or the load exceeds safe limits, the machine automatically stops working and triggers an alert. This helps protect internal components, extend the machine's lifespan, and ensure safe operation during long working hours. Additionally, the Azzuno AE-200F is designed with a special anti-static coating on its surface. This coating reduces the impact of static electricity on both the device and the welding process, improving operational stability and safety in different environments. Portability is another strong advantage of this model. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and move between job sites. Whether used in workshops, construction sites, or outdoor repairs, it provides convenient welding performance anytime and anywhere. Overall, the Azzuno AE-200F welding machine combines advanced technology, safety features, and portable design, making it a reliable choice for versatile and high-quality welding work. Coming in at number 4, we have the Femerol CUT60R welding machine. The Femerol CUT60R welding machine is a modern and efficient solution designed to deliver smooth and reliable cutting performance for a wide range of metalworking tasks. Built with advanced technology, it offers a strong combination of precision, control, and ease of use, making it suitable for both professional and workshop environments. One of its standout features is the 2T/4T function, which enhances user convenience during operation. The 2T/4T auto cut system allows users to release their fingers during continuous work, helping to reduce fatigue and improve overall comfort. This feature makes long welding or cutting sessions significantly easier and more controlled, ensuring a better working experience. The machine is equipped with a 2-in-1 non-high-frequency plasma cutting system designed to provide stable performance and consistent results. This technology supports smoother operation while maintaining cutting accuracy across different materials. It is also paired with an IPT-40 plasma cutting torch, which contributes to better handling and improved cutting efficiency. Another important highlight of the Femerol CUT60R is its non-touch pilot art system. This allows the machine to initiate cutting without direct contact, improving safety and extending consumable life. The result is a cleaner and more efficient cutting process with reduced wear and tear on components. With its efficient cutting ability and optimized design, the Femerol CUT60R ensures high performance in various industrial and workshop applications. It is engineered to deliver stable output, making it a dependable choice for users who require precision and durability in metal cutting tasks. Overall, the Femerol CUT60R welding machine combines practical functionality with advanced plasma cutting technology, offering a smooth, efficient, and user-friendly experience for demanding cutting operations. At number 3, the Aixz AIT200P welding machine. The Aixz AIT200P welding machine is a modern and advanced inverter-based welding solution designed to deliver precise control, stable performance, and high-quality welding results across a wide range of applications. Built with the most advanced inverter technology, this welding machine ensures a stronger, more concentrated, and highly stable arc. This allows for smooth welding operations with improved efficiency and better control over the welding process. Even when the stick and workpiece come into short contact, the system responds quickly, enabling better adaptability and making arc control more refined and consistent. The Aixz AIT200P is designed with highly flexible TIG welding capabilities, making arc initiation smooth and reliable. It includes multiple adjustable parameters such as arc initiation current, arc stop current, welding current, base current, current rise time, current fall time, and gas delay time. These continuous adjustments allow welders to fine-tune the machine according to different materials and welding requirements. In addition, the machine supports independent adjustment of pulse frequency and pulse duty. This advanced control system ensures automatic management of arc starting, arc stopping, and arc stability, resulting in cleaner welds with improved surface shape and internal welding quality. Versatility is another key strength of the Aixz AIT200P. It is suitable for welding stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, and various other non-ferrous metals. It can also be used for traditional electric welding tasks, making it a multi-purpose tool for workshops, fabrication work, and industrial applications. Overall, the Aixz AIT200P welding machine combines advanced technology, precise control, and multi-material compatibility to deliver professional-grade welding performance for a wide range of welding needs. In the second spot, we have the Hitbox HBMC270 welding machine. The Hitbox HBMC270 welding machine is a powerful and versatile 6-in-1 welding solution designed to meet the needs of both professionals and advanced DIY users. Built with modern IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable performance, improved energy efficiency, and precise arc control for a wide range of welding applications. This multi-process welding machine supports HF TIG, gas MIG, gasless MIG, stick welding, cutting functions, and spot welding, making it suitable for various metal fabrication tasks. Whether working on stainless steel, carbon steel, or other common metals, the HBMC270 provides flexibility and consistent results across different materials and thicknesses. One of its standout features is the Synergic MIG control system, which automatically adjusts voltage and wire feeding speed based on the selected settings. This simplifies operation, especially for users who want fast setup without manually fine-tuning every parameter. The machine also supports 2T and 4T trigger modes, offering better control for both short welds and longer continuous operations. Designed for convenience and adaptability, the Hitbox HBMC270 is suitable for workshops, repair work, construction projects, and home-based metalworking. Its multifunction capability reduces the need for multiple separate machines, saving both space and cost while increasing productivity. With its combination of advanced technology, multiple welding modes, and user-friendly controls, the Hitbox HBMC270 welding machine stands out as a reliable all-in-one solution for a wide range of welding and cutting needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hzxvogen HVM270 welding machine. The Hzxvogen HVM270 welding machine is a versatile multifunction welding and cutting solution designed for both professional and DIY applications. Built to handle a wide range of metalworking tasks, it combines plasma cutting, arc welding, MIG welding, and TIG welding into one compact system, making it suitable for workshops, farms, home repairs, and outdoor maintenance. In plasma cutting mode, the machine delivers strong and precise cutting performance. It supports a maximum severance thickness of 15/30 seconds at 220 volts and 5/16 at 110 volts, while providing a clean cut thickness of 25/64 at 220 volts and 15/64 at 110 volts. This allows users to cut through various metal sheets efficiently with clean and controlled edges. The ARC welding function is compatible with 6011, 6013, and 7018 welding rods, ensuring flexibility across different welding needs. It is well suited for working with mild steel, stainless steel, copper, cast iron, and sheet metal, making it highly practical for repair work and fabrication projects. For MIG welding, the machine features a synergic MIG system that automatically adjusts voltage in wire feed speed based on the selected amperage or metal thickness. This simplifies operation and helps maintain stable welding performance across different materials and conditions. It also includes gasless MIG welding capability, allowing convenient operation without external shielding gas. The high-frequency TIG welding mode provides easy arc starting with reduced tungsten and material consumption, improving welding efficiency and precision. Additionally, the machine offers manual MIG control, giving users full adjustment over key parameters such as current, voltage, welding speed, and gas flow for more customized welding results. Overall, the Hzxvogen HVM270 is a multifunction welding system built for flexibility, precision, and adaptability, making it suitable for a wide range of metal fabrication and repair tasks. That wraps up our top picks for the best welding machines on the market. Check the price link in the description to find the perfect tool for your next project. Like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more expert tech insights and reviews.